Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can increase the VI mobile Wi-Fi hotspot Wi-Fi dongles, that is from Binaton. How you can increase the battery life of this dongle? Yes, you are listening very right. You can increase, dual the battery life of this dongle, and it will last more for you if you change the settings. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. And now you need your mobile phone, that should be over here. Now you have to connect your mobile phone with this Wi-Fi hotspot dongle, and after that you have to just go to 192.168.1.1, and after that, as you can check out, this opens like this. Over here you have to enter the password, that is by default admin. Click on login, and after that you can see many options are over there. From that you have to choose this Wi-Fi settings option, and when you click on this you will see many options like this, and from there you have to choose this middle option, that is the Wi-Fi coverage. Click on that, and now you can check out three main options are available over there. That one is a short Wi-Fi coverage, that is the best life battery life coverage. You can choose that and press OK, and if you are using this type of dongle in your pocket, then this will work flawlessly for you. If you are going in a train, you are going in a bus, you using this dongle in your bedside or in your room, you can easily use that. And if you are using little bit far, you can choose this medium Wi-Fi coverage, and if you are very far, then use long Wi-Fi coverage, that will drain your battery fast, but you can use short Wi-Fi coverage. Hope you understand and like this video about this VI mobile Wi-Fi hotspot dongle. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.